This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home located on approximately 0.354 acre in Rollingwood subdivision in the City of Shelby. This home is built with an open floor plan. It has gorgeous wood laminate and ceramic tile floors. The living room has a fireplace with gas logs. The kitchen has granite countertops, stainless appliances, and a pantry. The laundry room has lots of cabinet space. Each bedroom has 2 closets. The primary bath has a walk-in shower. The refrigerator, washer, and dryer will remain. This home has a covered front porch. Bring your rocking chairs and enjoy. The rear patio is the perfect place to entertain, grill out, or just relax. There's an attached single carport and an extra parking pad. The home has an attached unheated storage room on the back of the house. There is also a detached storage building. The home has approximately 1,393 square feet of heated living area. It is conveniently located near to uptown Shelby. This is a must-see. For more information,